Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 11th electronics subject. Dear students, I may discuss with you phase of AC alternating current. Phase, this is in your syllabus, so that's why I am discussing the same thing here. This is a sine wave, a complete cycle of a sine wave. So here what we consider, we are discussing phase. Phase means the portion of a sine wave. This is one portion, this is second portion, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth portion of this sine wave. So we are discussing these phases differently. That's why we are telling it phase of AC. Phase of AC. For example, I may tell you you are aware that this is a type of voltage, sine wave voltage. So we are discussing only this portion, how much this portion is equal to this portion. So I may tell you this is A, B, C, D and E portions of the sine wave. So when we take this portion, this phase of this sine wave, it is given to you pi by 6 radians. It is given to you pi by 6 radians. The sine wave, the phase, different phases of AC could be measured in angles or with the time. It could be measured in with angles or with the time period taken. So it is here pi by 6. It is here pi by 6, and this portion is being 1 by 12th of the sine wave. 1 by 12th of the sine wave, because this is the starting point, initial point, starting point. This is the starting point. 1 by 12th means 1 by 12th portion means the lowest portion, the lowest section of the sine wave. 1 by 12th. This is your 1 by 4th section. This is little bit greater than this portion. This is 1 by 1, and this half of the cycle. 1 by 2 portion of the cycle. Naturally these portions are to be considered. This is 1 by 12th portion. So when we take this portion phase A, this is given to you pi by 6. The value of pi is 180. 180 is divided by 6. That will be equal to how much? 30 degree. Or you can take it, its angle considered measure is equal to 30 degree. And it is 1 by 12th portion of this sine wave. That's why 1 by 12th is multiplied by 1 by 50th. The 1 by 50th is the total time taken by complete cycle from initial to final point. When we multiply 1 by 12th of this portion with 1 by 50th second, that will be equal to 600 seconds. 1 by 600 seconds, as I have noted here. I have written here 1 by 12th second, and it is equal to 1 by 12 multiplied by 1 by 50th. That will be 1 by 600 second. This portion is completed from initial point to this portion. It takes 1 by 600 second to complete of this sine wave cycle. Okay, or it makes an angle. Its angle which is equal to 30 degree. Similarly, when we go on this portion at the portion B, this phase B, there you have got pi by 2. Pi by 2 means value of pi is 180. 180 divided by 2, that's 90 degree. This is 90 degree angle making here, the peak value being 90 degree here of this sine wave. So when it is 90, this is naturally 30 degree. So this 90 degree. So this is being but 1 by 4th portion. When we come from this way, this is 1 by 4th portion of the sine wave. When you multiply 1 by 4th by this 1 by 50th second, that will be equal to 1 by 200 seconds. That is equal to 1 by 200 seconds. So this phase up to this, it will take 1 by 200 seconds. 1 divided by 200 seconds of this portion it will take to move from this to this second, this portion, and the angle it subtends, it makes, will be equal to 90 degree. Okay, dear students. Similarly here, it is at phase C, it is 180, the angle subtend will be 180 degree, and it is 1 by, which is half portion of the cycle, half portion of the cycle. So you are multiplying half with 1 by 50, that will be 200 seconds. That will be 200 seconds, as I have shown. 1 pi by 2, that's equal to 90 degree. So this is equal to 1 by 200 seconds, which will take to complete its half cycle up to here. Similarly, when the cycle completes its rotation, it's here 2 pi 2 into 180 will be 360, will be the angle it completes here. The cycle completes its movement up to here, that's equal to 360 degree, and the time taken will be 0. Why it is 0? It is 0 because the cycle is completing its rotation at phase E, and then starts the next cycle here, then starts the next cycle. That's why time period will be 0 here, and the angle subtend will be 360 degree. That's all what I am discussing here. That's all what I am, the phase angle 2 pi, that will be equal to 360 degree, and the time portion will be 0 there. And that's all for today. I am sure that you may have got it, and I have tried my level best to make you to understand what the phase of AC means. Okay, assalamu alaikum. That will do for today.